Hi, in this video, I will show you how to change the language on YouTube. Whether you want to watch videos in a different language or navigate through the YouTube interface in a language of your choice, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. To change language in YouTube, make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner to access the YouTube menu. So click here. From the drop-down menu, click on Language. Currently, language is English, so click on it. Here you will see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and find the language you want to use. Once you have found it, click on the language to select it. We are going to select French, so click on it. So once the page reloads, you will see YouTube displayed in your chosen language. You can see it's French, so if we click on it, you can see all the video description is in French. So that's it. You have successfully changed the language in YouTube. Thanks for watching.